Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had a texting through the email.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we're back in Southest Florida here today, as you guys can all see. And in this video I'll be showing you guys the best sounding car in Southwest Florida. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. And here is the car, guys. It is the Ferrari Ferrari. This is a pretty nice looking car, pretty sweet looking car, as you guys can see. I have this thing in a white color with black rims, custom rims, and this thing is lowered. This thing looks really mean lowered. So this is a hypercar in Southwest Florida. It costs $2 million something. We'll be checking that out in a bit and checking out the specs this car offers. Already from the looks, this is such a nice car. We have some carbon fiber in the diffuser here. Really mean looking diffuser. I really like the taillights on this thing. It adds a really nice touch to the car. Side mirrors also really match the car. Just overall a really nice looking car, especially when this thing is lowered. It just looks really nice. Such a beautiful car. But apart from the looks, this is a really nice sounding car. I personally think this is the best sounding car in Southwest Florida. So if we hop into the dealership right now, we can see the 2014 Ferrari Ferrari. This is in the hypercar section. Along with all these hypercars, let's check out the specs of this car. So this thing has 648 torque, 948 horsepower. This thing weighs 2,976 pounds. It is rear-wheel drive and carrying capacity of 2 people. As you guys see, the specs of the car here is really good. Handling is good, braking is good, acceleration is really good, speed is also really good. Overall, pretty nice. And also, I'm pretty sure these cars here, let's see, the Ferrari F12 here, I'm pretty sure this car also sounds the same as the Ferrari. Correct me if I'm wrong, but we'll be checking that out later. We'll be testing it, but I'm pretty sure that has the same sound as this car. But honestly, I think this car here looks a lot better. It just looks really slick in my opinion. Such a clean car. But the point of this video here is how this thing sounds. Really nice sounding cars. So let's get a quick startup and hear how this thing sounds. As you guys all heard, this car here sounds amazing. I love how this thing sounds. Personally, I think this is the best sounding car in Southwest Florida. But let's also check out the lights of this car. So here we have our headlights. We have our tail lights right here. Let's turn those off. We have our brake lights. We have the reverse lights, and we have our blinkers in the back. Blinkers in the front right here, and we have hazards. Pretty clean looking car overall. And this car here can also do burnouts. It's better to put it in drift. But as you guys see, this car could do burnouts really good, actually, like really good burnouts. Yeah. Anyways, let's actually take this thing on a drive here, quick drive. Let's drive this thing around and hear how this thing sounds. Alright, as you guys all heard, this car sounds amazing. Personally, one of my favorite sounding cars in Southest Florida. It just has such a nice sounding exhaust. Really love how this thing sounds. Such a nice sound to hear in the game. Really nice exhaust sound. But yeah, as you guys all heard, really nice sounding car. Right now we'll be testing the other Ferrari, seeing if it sounds like this thing. I'm pretty sure it does, but I would pick this thing over the other Ferrari over the Ferrari F12 because I personally just love the way this thing looks. It looks a lot better in my opinion. But yeah, let's test out the other car and see if it sounds the same. Alright guys, so here is the other Ferrari right here. And let's start this thing up and see if it sounds like the Ferrari. Alright, so it sounds like the F12 Ferrari does not sound like the Ferrari. It sounds a bit different, but it sounds pretty similar. But both really nice sounding cars. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'm gonna conclude the video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up. Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text, love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best, love. Now this ain't just perfect time and place it best, so I've been